special day, hand knitted in a perfect way. The breath of heaven filled your frame, and God himself whispered your name. Before the stars lit up the sky, he saw you with his loving eye. You were made with purpose, born in love, a gift from the Father above. Every heartbeat, every breath, a testimony to his faithfulness. So today we celebrate your life with joy, with prayers and lifted eyes. You were created.
Binabati ko po ang aming manager sa What's Wrong Baby. Walang iba kundi si Boss Jos Mabini. Happy birthday, Boss Jos Mabini, and more birthday and more blessing to come kay Madam, kay MJ. Inshallah, will healthy kayo lahat. Thank you po, boss.
Ito may kababayan, boss Jose, maugmang kumpleanyo sa imo, boss. Wish ko sa imo, tawan ng kapan ni Lord, kita ko na birthday sa buhay mo. Stay healthy and fit palagi. God is always the center of your life. God bless you, boss. Greetings from Taif. Salute sa imo. Happy birthday, boss.
Assalamualaikum What's Wrong Baby family. Happy birthday po sa aming boss manager na si Jose Mabini. Happy birthday po, Tay. Tay, happy birthday po, Tay, sa iyo, Tay. Maraming salamat sa suporta mo sa amin sa tausog na What's Wrong Baby. Lalong-lalo na sa community namin, Tay. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Happy birthday po sa inyo, Tay. Tay, happy birthday po, Sing. Sana enjoy mo yung bakasyon mo dyan. Happy birthday ulit. Maraming salamat sa suporta sa amin. Boss, happy birthday sa'yo. Keep safe lang palagi. Then God bless. Happy birthday, boss.
Happy birthday, manager. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Isang ganda at mapagpalang araw po sa inyo lahat. Naway nasa mabuti at maayos kayong kalagayan, lalo na sa mga oras na ito at sa mga susunod pang mga araw na buhay natin dito bilang mga OFW. At
hi, Manager Jose, our What's Wrong Baby basketball team in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. I just want to greet you a happy birthday and wishing you all the best in life and good health. Enjoy life with Madame Rosanna and baby Jade. Keep safe always and God bless you. See you soon.
Boss, happy birthday sa iyo. Boss, maraming salamat sa tiwala inyong mag-asawa. Boss, maraming salamat sa kabaitan niyong mag-asawa na pinapakita sa aming mga player nyo. Wish ko lang na ipagpatuloy nyo lang ang kabaitan nyo sa mga tao at may babalik yan ng Panginoon sa inyo. Enjoy your day and more birthday to come. Maraming salamat, boss, ulit sa pinapakita nyo mag-asawa sa kabaitan. Matalo man manalo, yung mukha nyong dalawa hindi
Manager, binabati kita sa inyong arawan. Happy birthday po. Sana umamin ka na kay Madam. Joke lang. More birthday to come, manager. And then happy birthday. God bless you, manager.
hello, Manager Jose Mabini. Happy birthday sa iyo, Manager. I love you. Thank you so much sa lahat ng mga tulong at kabaitan mo sa amin, Manager.
Stay humble. God bless. Thank you so much, Manager. Happy birthday, Manager Jose. Ingat ko po palagi. God bless.
Boss Manager, happy birthday. Birthday.
Happy birthday, boss. I hope your year is full of happiness and success.
You were made with purpose, born in love, a gift
Happy
from the
birthday po, Manager Jose Mabini. More birthdays to come and God bless po. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday po, Manager Jose. How are you? Good? Wish you all the best, Manager. God bless.
Wonderfully made.
Manager, happy birthday po. I wish you and your whole family always be in the good health. Ayun, papasalamat po ako at ang buong team sa inyong dalawang mag-asawa sa walang sawang suporta. Lagi po kayong nandyan. At yun, ingat po kayo palagi sa trabaho. At huwag ka po mag-alala. Safe po ang sikreto niya sa akin. Payot po. Yan lang po. I love you both po.
Manager, how are you? Do you know? I want to greet you a happy birthday to you and wishing you a very good health. Enjoy your day and to your family.
Okay na, go.
Sa pinakamamahal kong asawa, Jose Mabini. Happy birthday sa'yo. This is your day. Magpakasaya ka. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Pero sana magbago ka na. Huwag nang matigas ang ulo. Huwag kumain ng mga bawal kung gusto mo pang mabuhay. Pero sa ganun pa man, love na love kita. I love you, baby. Happy birthday.
A reason we're still believing. You were made with purpose, born in love, a gift from the Father above.